To start off the year, maybe I could draw a character and use 2022's Color of the Year for my artwork. What's up guys? My name is Freeze. I'm an artist. Happy New Year guys. Welcome back. This is my first movie of 2022 and I thought to start off the year, maybe I could draw a character and use 2022's Color of the Year for my artwork. This is gonna be fun. Let's get started. So let's start off with a sketch. I saw this photo from Pinterest. I kinda like the pose, so I use it as reference for this piece. So with a lot of tweaking, I finally got the proportions right. So now I'm gonna start with a detailed sketch. Let's also not forget that 2022 is the year of the tiger, so I also incorporated it on the piece. The detailed sketch is done. Let's begin with the line work. And yes, as you may have noticed, I love drawing Jordan 1s. So, the sketch is done, the inking is done, the detailed line work is done. Let's get started with the base colors. So starting off with the base colors, I'm just gonna pick some other tones and some other color variations to match the main color. This yellow suits perfectly with the very Peri. Let's use some dark gray for the jeans. And of course, the Jordan 1s is the very Peri main color. So, the base colors are done. Now let's do some of those shadings and highlights. So for this part, I'm putting some finishing details for the piece and some art print details for his clothes. So now, the piece is almost done. Shadings and highlights are done. So for now, let's continue on making this background. So I actually had done the background off camera because I didn't notice that my camera battery was dead for a while. So we're just gonna continue with it and add some final touches to the piece. And now finally, we are done. So if you made it all the way here in this video, and before I show you the final piece, I want you to hit the like button if you really like this video. Comment down below if you have some more art suggestions that you want me to do, or if you have more fun art challenges that you want me to draw. And if you really like art content videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell. Oh, and if you are into NFTs, I also have NFTs available. Links in the description. So now, here's the final piece. So once again guys, thank you so much, Happy New Year, and see you in the next video. Freeze out.